On September 14, 2019, drones were used to attack oil processing facilities at Abqaiq and Khurais in eastern Saudi Arabia. The facilities were operated by Saudi Aramco, the country's state-owned oil company. Between 19 and December 21, 2018, hundreds of flights were cancelled at Gatwick Airport near London, England, following reports of drone sightings close to the runway. With 140,000 passengers and 1,000 flights affected, it was the biggest this. Drones were used on June 27 to drop explosives at the Indian Air Force (IAF) station in Jammu Airport, causing minor injuries to its 2 personnel. On August 4, 2018, 2 drones detonated explosives near Avenida Bolívar, Caracas, where Nicolás Maduro, the president of Venezuela, was addressing the Bolivarian National Guard in front of the Centro Simón Bolívar Towers and Palacio de Justicia Dakar. How Aramco, Gatwick Airport, Jammu IAF Station and many more of such incidents could have been avoided? Anti-drone systems. What are the features of Marvel's anti-drone systems? Network-centric detection and jammer modules. Easy to integrate with existing CCTV network. Integrates sentry posts for alert processing. 3 bands coverage up to 60 W output power. Each node covers up to 2 km with 60° sector. Battery operated. Easy maintenance. VSWR and over temperature protection. DDS-based jammer signal generator. Deployment mode directional. Deployment mode only. Our anti-drone system is best suited for major sector, defense and paramilitary establishment, international borders, airport, oil and gas, nuclear facilities, public institutions, critical infrastructure, monuments, VVIP, areas like President, Prime Minister residence, Parliament, etc., research and development establishments.